Every judge that I know is incredibly surprised and upset that something like this would happen involving such a trusted employee.
Tonight, a 41 Action News investigation uncovers questionable expenses inside the Jackson County Courthouse.
Well, the former court administrator resigned in July, but now we're learning more about the purchases that sparked an internal probe. Investigator Ryan Kath has been digging through hundreds of pages of documents. Ryan?
Hundreds of pages. Here they are right here. We made an open records request. We picked up this stack of financial documents from the courthouse just yesterday. The documents reveal your money bought massages, a stay at a spa resort, and thousands of dollars in gift cards.
Teresa York stepped down as the Jackson County Court's chief executive in July. The decision came after judges learned of questionable expenses using court money. We spoke with a recently retired judge who worked with York for 2 decades.
The entire court was really shocked and saddened by what we've learned in recent weeks.
The court has not released any details about what sparked the internal review. But a 41 Action News investigation looked at York's expenses during her final 18 months on the job. We found an estimated $28,000 in gift cards purchased from stores like CVS, Walgreens, and Office Depot. Many receipts had handwritten notes like holiday party or for court picnic. However, we tallied up more than 80 different gift card transactions in every month of the year for things like AMC Theaters, iTunes, and American Express. York also approved about $2,000 in employee massages from this independent's business, and we found a $500 purchase in personal eyewear, $400 from Toomey on the Plaza, and $200 at Bob Jones Shoes. On York's final bank statement, as her purchases attracted more scrutiny, we found more than $1,000 spent at a spa resort in Reno, Nevada. Next to the purchases, a question mark. The same confusion felt by longtime colleagues.
I think we never imagined that she would do anything that was at all inappropriate. And I, of course, continue to hope that it's all a mistake, but it certainly doesn't look that way at this point.
We tried contacting York at home and left a message on her phone. About an hour ago, we received this statement from her attorney. It reads, quote, "We are conducting our own review of the factual background of this matter, and neither Ms. York or I will make any additional comments at this time." Mark and Elizabeth, there are a lot of different interesting purchases, made within these 500 pages of documents. We've included more information on our web story, so you can go to kshb.com and look on our homepage. It is worth noting as well that court officials have turned over their internal investigation to law enforcement at this time, so we'll see if any charges come out of this.
Well, there sure are a lot of red flags in those documents. Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks. Well, the court also issued a statement saying it is reviewing its policies and procedures to make sure public money is properly spent. York had been Jackson County's court administrator since